Good Thursday, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Stephen Puglisi, and this is your weather update for February 1st, 2018. It has not been a great start out there today, and unfortunately, it will continue to not be great, as clouds and showers are expected for the rest of your day today. It's a wet start to February, I'm afraid, as well as some overnight snow likely, so it'll also be a white start with at least a couple inches of accumulation possible. I'll talk to that in just a moment, as well as the chance for potentially a bigger storm on Sunday, and that is Super Bowl Sunday, of course, so we're definitely keeping a close eye on that. At 10 o'clock in Danbury, the temperature was 34 degrees with a dew point of 24, overcast conditions, 67% humidity with winds out of the southwest at 5 miles per hour, so no big story there. On our surface map, we have an area of low pressure off to our west over eastern Michigan and two cold fronts that are associated with it, and that has been responsible for the clouds and showers we have been seeing earlier today and continue to see throughout this afternoon. So on our satellite, we can see a large line of cloudiness that stretches from well east of Maine all the way to the midsection of the country, and that will be with us at least through the overnight tonight and into early on Friday. And on our radar, we also have this patch of snow just off to our north. Thankfully, this has had very little impact indeed on western Connecticut. What will have impact on western Connecticut, though, are these systems off to our west with these patchy showers that'll be with us during the day, and then a more widespread area of precipitation that'll be with us for the overnight hours. The problem is that this batch of precipitation, when it gets here, the temperatures will be cold enough to support it as snow instead of rain. Not great. So let's get a look at our forecast for today with cloudy, showery conditions and cool as well, although it's definitely nothing too unusual for early February with a high of 40 degrees. And then for tonight, that rain will change over to snow early, and it will accumulate as much as 1 to 3 inches of accumulation possible. It should wrap up around 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning. Unfortunately, it will be enough to snarl the roads up, so do not be surprised to see some school delays in the western Connecticut area tomorrow. And now as we go to our more extended forecast, we clear things out tomorrow afternoon, a high of 25 degrees, so it will be cold, but at least it won't be snowing by the late afternoon hours. And then Saturday, mostly sunny, but really cold with a high of only 27 degrees, and then this overnight low of 7 is pretty painful indeed. And then for your weekend, or at least the later part of your weekend, we're watching that very closely as a large storm system appears to come very close to the Danbury area. Whether it is snow, rain, or a mixture of both depends largely on the track, but right now it's looking like snow transitioning over to rain for Monday morning. So right now, Sunday certainly looks worse than Monday, but that could change, so make sure to keep an eye on it. And then Tuesday, mainly sunny, but cold again with a high of 30 degrees. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to follow us on all our social media accounts at WCSU Meteorology. I'm student meteorologist Stephen Puglisi. Have a great Thursday.